Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a railgun in GTA 5 online. Now, the process is extremely easy. So, for doing that, firstly what you have to do is just simply track where exactly the gun van is on the map. Because the location of the gun van changes every day, so you need to know exactly where the gun van is. So to know that, just simply go to the link given to you in the description box below, and that will bring you to this particular website over here. And now in the website, just simply search for van, and then it will show you two locations. Now, as you can see right over here, this is the first location, and right over here, this is the second location. Now, the first thing that you have to do is just simply go to the darker location because it has a much higher probability of having the gun one right over there. So, just simply go over here, and if it is not over here, then just simply go to the second location, which is the lighter location, and make sure that you go when it is daytime in your game. So, it will increase the chances of you getting the gun one right over there. So let's wait for the daytime and then head towards this location over here. So the location is right over here, as you can see. So let's find this exact location on our map. So as you can see, this is the location right over here. Now again, it will change depending on the day that you're seeing the video. The location might be different. So make sure to track the van before moving towards the van. And let's check on the website. And as you can see, the van is right over here. Now, if you're thinking how I changed it, you can just simply do it right over here, as you can see. By clicking on this option, you can change the map over here. And if you want the exact game map, just simply choose game, and it will show you the exact map shown to you in the game as well. Now let's head over to this location over here. So again, to get the best chances of getting the gun, make sure to go on the daytime. But for me, I'm just simply go right now because I've already bought the gun. So just simply reach to that location over there. So it is not daytime. So let's check it. So as you can see right over here, whenever you will get near a gun van option, you will find this type of option at the very top left corner of your screen, which will tell you that a gun van is near you. So just simply go over there and talk to the person. Now you will also see the location of the gun van on your minimap as well. So this is the gun van right over here. So now all you have to do is just simply head over to him and just simply press E on your keyboard. Now just simply choose weapons. And right over here, you should have your railgun. Now the reason it is not showing over here is because I've already bought it. So now all you have to do is just simply come to this location right over here, and then you'll be able to buy the gun. That's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.